Hey there, welcome to Wireless Solutions. Is your iPhone running slower than usual? Do not worry. Today we are going to show you how to speed up a slow iPhone with some easy to follow tips and tricks. Whether you have an older model or a newer one, these steps will help you get the most out of your device. Let us dive right in. First, it is important to understand why your iPhone might be slowing down. Over time, our devices can accumulate unnecessary files, background processes, and software glitches that can impact performance. But do not worry, with a few simple steps, you can significantly improve your iPhone speed and efficiency. In today's video, we will walk you through various methods to clean up your device, manage your storage, and optimize your settings. From cleaning cache and offloading unused apps to adjusting visual effects and updating software, we've got you covered. These tips are designed to be user-friendly, so even if you are not tech-savvy, you will be able to follow along easily. Make sure you stick around until the end for a bonus tip that can make a big difference in your iPhone's performance. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Let us get started and boost your iPhone speed together. First, let us understand why your iPhone might be slow. There are several reasons why your iPhone might be slow. Number 1. Too many apps running. Running too many apps simultaneously can bag down your phone. Number 2. Outdated software. Not updating your software can lead to performance issues. Number 3. Full storage. Lack of storage space can cause your phone to slow down. Number 4. Background processes. Certain background processes and animations can affect performance. Number 5. Battery health. Poor battery health can also contribute to a slower phone. Now that we know the causes, let us look at the solutions. Solution number 1. Close background apps. The first step is to close unnecessary background apps. Here's how you do it. 1. Double-click the home button, or swipe up from the bottom on iPhones without a home button. Number 2. Swipe up on the apps you are not using to close them. By closing background apps, you free up system resources, making your iPhone run faster. Solution number 2. Update your software. Keeping your software up to date is crucial for optimal performance. Here's how to check for updates. Number 1. Open the Settings app. Number 2. Tap on General. Number 3. Tap on Software Update. Number 4. If an update is available, tap on Download and Install and follow the on-screen instructions. Updating your software ensures you have the latest performance improvements and bug fixes. Solution number 3. Free up storage space. If your iPhone storage is full, it can slow down your device. Here's how to free up space. Number 1. Delete unused apps and install apps you no longer use. Number 2. Clear downloads. Delete old files from your downloads folder. Number 3. Move photos and videos. Transfer media files to iCloud or an external storage device. 4. Clear Safari cache. Remove cache data from Safari. Let us focus on clearing Safari cache next. Solution number 4. Clear Safari cache. Clearing cache can significantly improve performance. Here's how you do it. Number 1. Open the Settings app. Number 2. Scroll down and tap on Safari. Number 3. Tap on Clear History and Website Data. Number 4. Confirm by tapping Clear History and Data. Clearing cache removes temporary files that can slow down your device. Solution number 5. Disable Background App Refresh. Background App Refresh allows apps to update content in the background, which can slow down your iPhone. Here's how to disable it. Number 1. Open the Settings app. Number 2. Tap on General. Number 3. Tap on Background App Refresh. Number 4. Select off or disable it for specific apps. Disabling Background App Refresh can help improve performance and save battery life. Solution number 6. Reduce motion and animations. Reducing motion and animations can make your iPhone feel faster. Here's how to do it. Number 1. Open the Settings app. Number 2. Tap on Accessibility. Number 3. Tap on Motion. Number 4. Toggle on Reduce Motion. Reducing motion and animations can make navigating your iPhone quicker and more responsive. Solution number 7. Check battery health. Poor battery health can affect your iPhone's performance. Here's how to check your battery health. Number 1. open the Settings app. Number 2, tap on Battery. Number 3, tap on Battery Health. Number 4, check the maximum capacity and peak performance capability. If your battery health is significantly degraded, consider replacing it. Replacing a degraded battery can greatly improve your iPhone's performance. Solution number 8, restart your iPhone. Restarting your iPhone can clear temporary files and refresh the system. Here's how to do it. 1. Press and hold the power button and either volume button on iPhones without a home button until the slide to power off slider appears. Number 2. Drag the slider to turn off your iPhone. Number 3. Once it is off, press and hold the power button again until the Apple logo appears. Restarting your iPhone periodically can help maintain optimal performance. Solution number 9. Reset all settings. If your iPhone is still slow, resetting all settings might help. Here's how to do it. Number 1. Open the Settings app. Number 2. Tap on General. Number 3. Scroll down and tap on Reset. Number 4. Tap on Reset all settings. Number 5. Enter your passcode and confirm. Resetting all settings won't delete your data but will revert all system settings to default, which can help improve performance. Solution number 10. Perform a factory reset. If all else fails, performing a factory reset can give your iPhone a fresh start. Here's how to do it. Number 1. Open the Settings app. Number 2. Tap on General. Number 3. Scroll down and tap on Reset. Number 4. Tap on Erase all content and settings. Number 5. Enter your passcode and confirm. Before performing a factory reset, make sure to back up your important data as this process will erase everything on your iPhone. After the reset, set up your iPhone as new or restore from a backup. To recap, there are several effective solutions to speed up a slow iPhone. Close background apps, update your software, free up storage, clear Safari cache, disable background app refresh, reduce motion and animations, check battery health, restart your iPhone, reset all settings, and as a last resort, perform a factory reset. Each of these steps can significantly improve your device performance, making it run more smoothly and efficiently. We hope these tips help you keep your iPhone running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might also benefit from these tips. Your support helps us create more content and reach more people who might need assistance with their tech issues. We would love to hear from you. Leave a comment below with any other tech problems you'd like us to cover in future videos. Your feedback is invaluable and helps us tailor our content to better meet your needs. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.